Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a quick and easy recipe. This is the smoked herring coconut rice, aka shine rice. It is absolutely delicious and I hope you guys try this one. So let's jump right into this video. So here I preheated my pan. I added 2 tablespoons of oil and I'm going in with some sliced onions. Then you're going to add some celery. Allow this to cook for about 2 minutes. Then you're going in with some garlic and some habanero pepper. Now after 2 minutes you're going to add the smoked herring. Now to prepare the smoked herring, you're going to wash the salt out of the smoked herring with some hot water until all the salt has been removed. Then you're going to place that in the pan here. You're going to add your tomatoes, your bouillon, your fine thyme, and you can season this to your likeness and taste, guys. I did remove half of that. In the remainder, I washed some rice and I added to the smoked herring. Continue to toast the rice and the smoked herring together for about 2.5 minutes. Then I go in with my coconut milk and some water. Adjust your seasoning here, guys, to your likeness and taste. Then you're going to cover and steam. And this is what it looks like when it's done. Guys, this was absolutely delicious. It was packed full of flavor. I hope you guys try this one. So thank you all again for spending the time with me today. If you're new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share. This was eaten with some fried fish, some fried plantain, some avocados, and some garden salad. Bye bye.